This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below. This video sponsored by Interplay Learning. Simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures. Beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount. Link and promo code in description below.
Morning guys, April 22nd, 2019. This one here, I gotta go fix a toilet, leaking toilet or something's going on with it. It's an older house, rental type of thing, so I don't think I can shut the water off to the house on this. This place is she's pretty crusty, but maybe I can shut the water off to the toilet. We'll see. I've worked here before. I mean, it's got some, like I said, she's pretty crusty. Anyway, try to get you some shots, something interesting. That'd be something simple. Miss Molly's enjoying the weather. It's probably 55 degrees here today, and not that warm. It's supposed to rain later all day, so. Try to get you some shots. I don't know if I can cut that refish.
It's always clogged.
What do you mean by no pressure? I mean water coming in?
Yeah, it takes forever to fill up.
Look at that thing. I mean, this.
So that's why I was telling Julie. I took a picture.
All right, we'll fix it. Let me do my thing.
And you can't even turn it. I know. I want some.
Oh, I can't shut the water off to this house. I know that because the shut off downstairs is like completely.
Oh, it is.
Let me see what I can do.
See how long it takes? It takes forever to fill up.
All right, well, let me see what I can do. Let me get my tools. What about this rack?
I'll take it out.
Can you take that out?
Yeah, while you go out, I'll do that.
See if I can get that to shut off. It might just be that this supply is full of stuff. We're going to try that. Now, did your boyfriend ever get rid of the water tank from the basement? No?
I don't know what boyfriend. Oh, water tank.
Down in the basement, I changed the water tank a while back. And wasn't that your boyfriend on the first, or was he on the second floor? Huh?
Probably second floor, I don't remember.
Dennis bought the water tank and he wanted me to put it in type of thing. You don't remember that? Alright, so it's shutting off. What a real shit show you got here.
I know.
I bet you this thing's so full of cholesterol. Yeah, look at it.
Oh yeah.
See all the white?
Yeah.
We'll put a new one in there. They call it cholesterol. It's just like a buildup of minerals.
Yucky stuff.
Mineral buildup.
Yeah. So maybe that's why it takes forever. And then that hose, like I said, keeps coming off.
Oh, I could fix that. That's just. Wow, yeah.
Yeah, look at it's all rotten.
Look at the cholesterol. See it how it's full?
Oh yeah.
See it?
Oh yeah.
So let's let me put a new hose on it and we'll try it. If that's still a problem, we might have to change the fill valve too.
Look at all that corrosion.
Yeah.
Ew.
I got a longer one here, so this one's not gonna be as. I got a 20-inch one, so it won't be stretched to limits. Now you work with Leo on the salads and stuff?
Yeah, on Saturdays. I do the salads, sandwiches. Sometimes if like Dennis will say, oh, can you cut me a pound of cheese, a pound of that? I don't do meats. I don't do meat.
You don't do the meats, no?
No, just the deli. If there's long lines, I'll say, oh, do you need a sandwich?
Oh, so you do the sandwiches too?
Yeah. I get annoyed when they say they want something and then you make it and they're like, can you add pickles to that too?
Oh yeah, they don't want mayonnaise. You put mayonnaise on there.
And then they have a fit. Oh well.
So let's see if this works. Yeah, I can just cut that end off. Oh, the thing's just all...
Right?
Oh, it's all hard.
The whole inside of that friggin' wheel is a mess.
Wow. Alright, we'll put it... See, I just cut the end off and I put a new...
Alright, let's see.
I stuck it back on and let's see if how it feels now.
Yeah, it'll stay on for a little while and it...
Does it leak out? Does it fill on its own?
Yeah, but it takes a long time.
No, I'm saying once it's filled, does it drain out and then fill on its own again? Do you think that?
Yeah.
It does. All right. Well, let's see what happens with this first.
Look at even this thing's all cool.
Let me check that.
The handle.
Wow, look at the handle.
That's what I'm saying. Look at
We'll
it.
fix that.
It's all
That's not
nasty.
the right one. Yeah, we'll fix that.
That's been like that forever.
Really?
Yeah.
It's barnacles.
You can tell, right? It's all been there since who knows when. I've been here how many years? 7 years?
We'll get a new gasket for it. There's a gasket down in there. I gotta get that sucker out of there if I can. Wow. That's bad. She's crusty.
It's all crusty.
I'll get a new gasket, see it? That's bad. That's in tough shape too. We could fix that though. I got them in the truck. Kind of a funky one. But let me see what I could do with that too.
As long as I could. That's it.
Everything but the kitchen sink in here.
Right. Especially yesterday, everybody was here. I'm like, oh my god, everybody's going to the bathroom. I'm like, hopefully it flushes.
Wow.
Look at that. That's old. Yeah.
That's kind of...
corroded, right?
I don't know why it's so
What is
cattywampus like that. We'll get another one in there.
Oh, it's not
There's
supposed to be
there's a special handle for this on the Mansfields. I mean, get you a gasket, a new handle, and then I could always change this if I had to. Got the new gasket. That's one of them for a Mansfield. There's two kinds. This flipping thing's going my way. Flipping hands on there because it's flipping racks in the way. Put it in there and then spin it. Should work now. Oh, there we go. We're gonna spin, make sure it spins. It's in there now. Alright guys, here's the Mansfield toilet. It's got a kind of a cattywampus bend on it. That's the way it should go. We'll see if it works or not. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. See, that's got like an indent that need. We'll see. Screws in the top and stops it from popping out. They call it a candlestick. I'll do something with this chain. I'll take that chain off of there. I don't need this flipping chain on there. I don't even know why it's on there. Take it off. Don't need that on there. Might have to change the fill valve, I'm not sure yet. That should take care of it. I put a new gasket, new handle, the right handle in there. Now let's see if it, and if it fills, I put a new supply. If not, we're gonna change this.
Alright.
But you're getting all new parts.
Woo-hoo. It's about time. That stuff has probably been there since who knows when.
Never had any work done on anything.
Oh, so that's how you turn. Alright, pull it out.
Well, yeah, because it's hitting the wall, right?
Yep, yep. I don't know, it could wiggle like that.
Sounds like it's feeling good to me now. Supposed to take a minute and a half, 90 seconds to fill, so.
Alright.
I mean.
No, sometimes it takes. And when that hose come off.
Well, you see the hose. You see how blocked the hose was?
Yeah, but when this comes off.
Well, this ain't gonna come off anymore because I took it off and I cut the end.
Right.
And then I reattached it. So I gave you a new setup there.
The problem.
Yeah, it's feeling good.
One time I put one of those blue stupid things.
Yeah, don't want to put that in.
No.
Don't do that. It'll block it.
Yeah, it blocked it.
Block the jets. It's gonna have to be like a brand new toilet now.
Know how
No,
high?
it's overflowing. I gotta adjust that. See, it's not shutting off. It was hitting. I just readjusted it. It's supposed to go like 3/4 of an inch down from the top there. So I could adjust it right here if I have to. Oh, it was hitting. It was coming up and it was hitting on the handle. I still have to adjust it. Yeah. You've been using a lot of water? Have you been using a lot of water?
For what? In the toilet?
Has it been running?
Yeah, it runs. That's what I'm saying. It takes forever.
Well, that's probably why it was overflowing. Once I adjust it, it should be all right. What's the water bill been like? You don't know.
I don't pay the water bill.
You don't care. You don't pay the water bill.
No idea, but I don't do that to people.
No, because it can be very, very pricey, you know. How do you like the neighborhood here?
It's quiet.
Is it? Yeah.
Nobody bothers. I was living here all by myself.
Oh, really?
They didn't move in till later. But nobody bothers. And we've been here. So long. We are the neighbors.
All right, that's good. We're down about a good half an inch. Well, that's good. I think this thing came over in the Mayflower. Yeah, I don't see it leaking. I don't see it dribbling. So we got all new parts in there. We got no leaks. It should be good. You can see the end I cut off. It's kind of really hard, really stiff. See it?
Yep.
I cut that, so I put a new end on there. So you should be good. I think you're gonna be good. We'll put the cover back on there. Try not to crack it. Yeah, you could definitely see it's just blocked. So we put a new gasket, new handle.
You made a good laugh out of that.
Who will?
Although you said everything was clogged with full of cholesterol.
You think she'll get a kick out of that?
Yeah.
Shirley? Alright, that's it. That's good enough. I just left that job. I know the owner, I know the landlord over there pretty good, so he wanted me to go over there and see if I could fix the toilet. So I had to put a new Mansfield flapper ring in the bottom. Now, Mansfield and them candlesticks, there's two kinds of gaskets. That one's just kind of like a ring type of thing. You gotta put it in there, you gotta spin it. If you don't spin it, it's gonna be a problem. It don't seat right. And they got another one that goes over the candlestick. The whole thing covers it like a black gasket. But that's not the one that they had there. And you gotta use a certain type of handle for those Mansfield. See how it's got a cattywampus bend on it? It's because the way the porcelain's made. That's the right handle for that. And if that cap don't screw on the top, the thing's not gonna work right. Everything's gotta work right on that candlestick flush valve. Or you're gonna have problems. The fill valve was full of cholesterol. We changed that. Well, you know, sediment. Full of electrolysis type of stuff. Get a lot of it up here. So we just kind of kicked the can down the road with that one. Giving the old can kick down the road, mama. Miss Molly's enjoying the weather. That's what they call Polish air conditioning. Polish air conditioning.